What I love about today's workshop is that Hugh's added his own twist and brought in other resources that really add lots of value.
Well, I find Hugh refreshing. I find he's got a good sense of humour and he's practical. He's also thought-provoking.
I think Hugh did a really great job. He was very engaging, he moved around, he made it interesting and relevant.
And he delivers it with, with a certain amount of humour and a little bit, there's always a bit of a smile and a joke and a laugh during the day, so it was good.
The workbook that he's provided is absolute gold. So, that's something that we will refer back to and be able to work with.
The Principle of Scaling Up, one of the best books I've ever read. It was just really enlightening, enthusiasing and inspiring to create more opportunities for ourselves and our people is really exciting.
Taking us right out to 2022 as a solid base and working towards 2025 even.